What's happening, everyone? We're here with the old F-150 little work truck deal here. We got some fresh headlights for AUXITO. Sent us these headlight bulbs, AUXITO LED lights. So never used them before. They just hit me up on Instagram, said, here, try these things out, tell us what you think. So that's exactly what we're gonna do. Before we put in the new LED headlights, we gotta change this bumper out because she's looking pretty rough, so she needs a new bumper. So let's do that right now. Bam, there we go, guys. Fresh bumper on there, you know, somewhat fresh. Good enough for the old F-150. So I'm gonna pop the hood here, we'll get these things installed, and we're gonna open them up right in front of you guys. So you see, totally sealed. We'll open them up. I haven't even looked at them yet. See how they look. Get these things opened up here. See how they look. Alright, so... oh, it even comes with installation gloves. Do recommend using these because you do not want to touch the bulbs with your oily hands like what I have here. Bam, some destructions. Boom, little jumper harnesses with the little module. And there is the bulbs. Nice bulbs, they got little cooling fans on them. Look super good. Okay, so on these F-150s, you can pull the headlight out by just popping these up. This is a 2003 F-150. Sometimes it can be a little stiff. There we go. And that should come out. There it goes. He hasn't been out in a while. There's our connector. It's supposed to have a clip on there, but oh well, that's just the truck's fault. Easy to take off. Don't do what I do and get your greasy mitts all over the headlights. Twist that collar and then pop out just like that. See, we've already got some decent bulbs, it looks like, in there, but we're gonna get a before and after and show you guys the difference because it's gonna be huge. Bam, and we'll put a new one in. Not ideal to do this in the rain, don't recommend, but as you can see here, sunburn's taking up the shop. We don't want sunburn to get too wet, so don't get to use the shop today, but that's okay. Okay guys, I think I figured it out here. So it looks like you, boom, look at that, guys. Just like that, boom. See, that's why you read the instructions. This guy will go into our headlight now. Just like that. Then this guy, and lock it in. Boom. Boom, slow sound. And then this guy isn't like that, but we want it to be a certain way. I know you can adjust it. Like yeah, that's locked in now. Looks good. Let's get this put in. So, what we can do is just take and plug in. So your connector will have clips on here to actually clip in properly. It's just my truck that's missing the clip, but that seems to be pretty good there. And if you want, the kit comes with zap straps and little sticky tape for this and everything, but I'm just going to tuck it back in here and it'll be mint. There we go. We got it, guys. Boom. That popped in. There we go. And of course, guys, they make these LEDs for all vehicles, not just this truck. Any vehicle, they'll make you good, really high quality headlights. I'm gonna get into the quality in a sec here. It's really good. I'm a mechanic, guys. I install a lot of headlights every day, and these are definitely, no lie, some of the highest quality bulbs I've seen. Just the way everything's put together. Everything is like put together with screws. You can take it all apart and whatnot. Like, it's meant to be serviced. It's very high quality. It's not just all plastic molded together like everything is nowadays. It's all machine screwed and whatnot. So super good stuff. Like, if I show you guys this bulb here, like you can see, everything's put together with screws, right? Even where were those other ones? Oh yeah, this guy comes off. Even underneath this, it's all screwed, right? all the backs, everything, like I said, it's all bolts, nut and bolt together, right? And that goes to show you how high the quality is. Not just all this plastic molded and whatnot, right? Super good there. So all right, so before we install our next one, I'll turn the headlights on. We'll see how this one compares to the one over there, because that's an old guy over there. Big difference?
Yes.
Yeah, look at that. There you go. There's the difference, guys. So that's low beam. Now let's try high beam. High beam. There's just not that gross, old, dim, yellow light that you see nowadays. It's just like brings this old truck right back to like keeping up with the headlights of new cars nowadays, right, guys? So just new technology. I can hear the little fan in there running. You hear that little fan running in there, guys? Keeping it cool. Keeping it cool. It's cool. It keeps it cool. Gotta turn it off now. All right, let's get this other one changed out. I'll quickly get this other light changed out, guys. Don't want to bore you with this. And then we'll go for a drive and wait. We'll wait till it gets dark, see how they look in the dark, and do a comparison. All right, guys. Well, there you have it. Super easy install. Again, that's AUXITO LED lights. I'll put a link in. There you go. I'll put a link in the description down below. And guys, I've got a coupon code for these. So you can get 15% off your order by using my coupon code RXM15. And I'll link it down below. Go on their website, check out what they have. They've got LEDs, they got booster packs, all kinds of stuff. But like I say, RXM15 gets you 15% off at checkout. So definitely check it out. Yeah, links will be in the description. So we're gonna wait for it to get dark now, and we're gonna take this thing for a rip and see how it looks on the road at night. So let's do that right now.
Okay, here we go.
Can you see me now?
Yeah.
Filming?
Yeah.
All right, guys. Okay, let me think.
We're gonna get pulled over.
All right, guys. Well, we tried to do a burnout there in the old girl. Didn't quite go to plan, but I was also doing the outro while we were doing that burnout. Obviously, you couldn't hear me, so anyways, that's gonna do it for this video. Hope you enjoyed. Remember, code RXM15 at checkout gets you 15% off if you want a set of headlight bulbs like these ones, guys. Look at these high beams. I guess you can't really see very well because the flash is on, but dang, they work good. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for now. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.